Look at these two absolutely gorgeous spinners. This one at the back here is called the Spartan. It's so well balanced. If I spin that and give it a good crank, it would last for about 21 minutes. Watch how quickly it stabilizes itself. This one here is known as the Corinthia. Corinthia again, probably won't spin as long, maybe 7 or 8 minutes is what I typically get out of this. But it's so well balanced, it will just spin and spin and spin. If you can get your hands on these, get your hands on them. And this, by the way, is still spinning.